Hello and welcome to Dishing Delights. My name is Jenica and today I am going to share with you a quick little grocery haul and 3 delicious recipes. Let's get into it. I just went to the grocery store real quick and got $17 worth of food for the week. I grabbed a loaf of bread. I grabbed a gallon of milk. 2 pounds of strawberries. These were 2 for $4. Some of this French vanilla oat milk. I haven't got oat milk creamer in quite a while, and I want to compare this to something that I'm trying to make on my own. And then 2 bunches of bananas at various ripeness. And that is all I grabbed this week. Let's make some baked oatmeal. I am going to take 2 eggs, a half a cup of brown sugar, a half a tablespoon of baking powder, a half a tablespoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. I am then going to add in a 1/4 cup of melted butter, Alright, now I'm just slowly mixing this milk in. Smells delicious. Of course. I have my 5-gallon bucket of oats. This is Amish baked oatmeal. That is the title of this recipe, and all you have to do is throw the word Amish in it and I am in. So I have my beautiful casserole dish. So I'm going to toss this into the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees, and then I'll check in with you. I have this Planet Oat French vanilla oat milk creamer. This was on sale, so I grabbed some. This is kind of a treat for me. Alright, we have 20 minutes until our oatmeal is ready. Our oatmeal is going to be done in just a few minutes, and I figured, you know what, why don't we just make something else while that oven is preheating, and I'll make my life easier later on. So we are going to make some sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast muffins. I just have a little bit of butter, and I'm going around the muffin tin and just making sure that I'm making this non-stick. This was less than a tablespoon of butter. And this recipe will make 12 muffins, it says. Going to set this aside. Now this is 2 pounds of sausage. I'm going to get out a pound and then I'm going to freeze the rest of it for another time. I'm going to need 4 eggs. Oh no. Looks like we have a cracked egg. And some freshly shaved white cheddar cheese. We need 1 cup of this. Ooh, that cheese is a little too strong to eat first thing in the morning. And then we just need 1 cup of baking mix. I have never made these before, so I'm not sure how they're supposed to turn out or how they're supposed to look at this stage. But I really want that baking mix incorporated, I'm assuming. All right, let's get these ready. Oops. It's looking like this made about 9. Still a good number. Now it says these need to go in for 20 minutes or until the top starts getting golden. But let's check on that oatmeal. This is good. You pour a little maple syrup over it. Yes, this is delicious, but it definitely needs to be served with some honey or maple syrup or a little bit of sweetener. This is after 20 minutes. I'm going to let them go for like 3 more minutes. And I have some bananas that need to be used up. So I'm going to try to find a banana bread recipe because the banana bread recipe that I normally use has instant vanilla pudding mix in it, and I do not have that. Breads. Yum. These are delicious. 10 out of 10, would recommend. These will be really good with some spicy sausage. I am going to make 2 loaves of banana bread. I'm going to use a banana bread recipe that has sour cream in it. I will link it down below if I enjoy it. But I'm going to butter my baking dishes. I have my oven preheating to 325 degrees. I have my butter right here. That's a 1/3 cup of melted butter and 1 1/4 cups of white sugar. I'm going to cream these together. I'm now adding my 2 eggs. I am now going to add my sour cream. I need 1 cup of sour cream, which is half of this 16-ounce container. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then I'm adding in my bananas. This is 4 ripe bananas. I am determined to not get out my KitchenAid. Oh, nice, this is perfect. All right, I have everything but the flour. So let's add in the flour. I have unbleached all-purpose flour. I need 2.5 cups. Now I'm going to mix this in. And then our batter is made. This is so therapeutic. I woke up and I was having a lot of anxiety for some reason. And this has calmed me, centered me a bit. And now I also have a delicious banana bread to look forward to. 2 banana breads to be exact. I'll probably freeze one of these. I am going to bake these for 1 hour and then I'll show you the results. I need a little mid-morning pick-me-up. Whoa! Well, look at that. Now I did lay aluminum foil on top for the last 20 minutes. That's why this got a little messed up. All right, let's check to make sure. Nice. Look at that. 2 perfect banana breads. I'm going to let these cool in their pans for about 10 minutes, then I'll move them out and I'll let them cool the rest of the way. Ooh, perfect. I'm going to try to be as careful as I can and pull these out of the glass pans. Nice. Can I get both out? Hot. Voila! I'm going to let these rest. Oh my goodness, they feel so moist. I am so excited to break into these later. Well, thank you so much for coming along as I made 3 different recipes this morning. It was quite productive. It is noon now. I'm going to finish my iced coffee. And I actually had 3 of those sausage biscuit muffins. So I'm not even gonna need lunch. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had to share with you how good this bread turned out. This was absolutely delicious. So thank you so much for watching and coming along as I made 3 delicious recipes for breakfast to get us through the week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like it, make sure you're subscribed, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching.